How to change audio output on your TCL Google TV. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you change audio output on your Google TV or TCL Google TV. In order to do it so, you actually want to follow these steps. On your TCL Google TV, remote press the gear icon, settings or the menu button depending on the remote model. And what next you want to do is scroll down and select display and sound. Go to this section, then you simply want to go ahead and select audio output. You will see options like audio. The TV will automatically select highest priority audio device, output to connect wired headphones, and ARC output to connect ARC device like soundbar and all that. Once you've selected the desired output, the TV should automatically switch to a new source, and this is how you could change audio output. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.